What's up, guys? So now I have a project here. I'm repairing my Nikon. So I was searching to how to disassemble this one. So I just saw maybe one video showing how he disassemble it, but not totally clear for me. So I just wanted to show you how did I open it. First, you must remove those very 6 screws that you see at the bottom, and there's 2 here, and then I think the top not really necessary to remove it. So there, and then you must open this cover. There's a screw. I don't think it's really necessary, but anyway. And there's a 2 here, and then most hard one is this one. So I was struggling to try to pry it up, but it was so very simple. There's just a small tab just to open it, and then there's a screw there. So I just damaged it. Anyway, for the sake of this project, so you know that you have to struggle to open it. So there's 3 screws. So here you must open also the cover. There's another screw there. That's it. So it will not so it will open very easy now. Thank you for watching. So hope you press likes and subscribe for any more videos that I will make. Thank you for watching.